What's going on, everybody? It's me. It's the ZXP. Alex Lex is coming at you with another video. I know I look a little crazy because I have military duty tomorrow, so I had to shave. So it is what it is. I look like my daddy. But I want to give a shout out to a budding friendship between my friend, Mr. Reeve. He hooked me up with. You've been seeing my YouTube shorts with my cosplay stuff. And you know, it's a motorcycle centric channel with the Predator flare in there. So most of y'all remember this from Ghost Biker helmets. You know, fiberglass on top of a motorcycle helmet. This one has, you know, like the visor and all that good stuff. But yeah, I scratched it up because I got an airbrush now, so I can do some things. But you've seen the myriad of helmets, my Phantom, and you got my Hunter, my Wolf, and then you got the Berserker over there. And many of you remember the very first one that I got. And you got my Batman, got my Mega Man helmet. I've been collecting. Actually, I got Snake Eyes over here. But, oh, there's my Batman suit. Pardon me. I want to try to see if I can do it in a single take, but check this. So, this is my movie prop helmet with moving mandibles. So, I'm going to get to that in a bit because I got the compare. It's not a helmet, it's more of a cosplay mask. It legit is functioning. If I move my jaw, it actually opens the stuff up. And do a lot of repairs on there. You know, I was lucky because this is one of 4. You know, so you've seen it in my other videos. Won't go into all that, but let's get in there. Reeve, thank you so much for this. So we're gonna slowly. What the heck is this, bruh? Dude, this is like the craziest quality I've ever seen. Yeah, so it has the lights that light up with the battery pack. Luckily, I have it. So this is pretty wicked, and all the accents. Now you see, maybe with this, I could actually ride on my motorcycle with it. But Reeve, thank you so much, man. And you see, I have a very specific taste, folks. And this one specifically made for that particular helmet. As you can see, I am very ecstatic about this. This is a lot larger than the other ones, but for good reason. So, I gotta get over the bike. Ugh. So, we're gonna coordinate this. It was meant for it. It was meant for it. It, like, the proportions sit on it perfectly. Wow. I can't wait to get batteries in there and do some stuff with it. Yeah. This is cool. Eh? Get that thing fait. On l'autre. It met ça. Yeah, so yeah, this came out nice. So my collection is getting rather large, but big shout out to Reeve and to our folks at the cosplay community. I got everything fixed. So Comic-Con, my brother-in-law and my sister are going to be taking some pictures of me. I think I'm going to win this contest if I go out for it this year. So literally, it sits right on it. Boom. Booyah. All right, folks. Again, thank y'all for watching. On my other stuff, rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZXP. Yeah, that's me, Alex Lexus. I'll see y'all next. This is just a proof of concept, so I can this bad boy on. So let me go ahead and mount it up. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I already put the batteries for the light and stuff, so let's add it on. So yeah, once I get the battery pack set, all set. So far, so good. Oh. Wow, this looks like Scar and Wolf, Jungle Hunter-esque. And it's cool that it's legit made for this helmet or this mask. So I have a fan solution, and I think with the visor, I'll be able to ride on the motorcycle with it. Just making sure that the vision is good. All right, it's all set.